Social media is dead. There, I said it. And if you're still stuck in the traditional social media loop, then good luck getting any reach, followers, traffic, or sales. You spend hours creating the perfect post, the perfect image with the perfect caption. You pour your heart and soul into it only to have it disappear in a matter of minutes. It's frustrating and disappointing, but here's the hard truth. You need to adapt, and adapt fast. Because if you don't, you'll be stuck in the same cycle of disappointment and frustration. Even with AI, it's a constant struggle to keep up with millions of others competing for attention. And let's not forget about the ever-changing algorithm that makes it nearly impossible to make anything stick. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this endless cycle? What if I told you about an ultimate hack that can bring explosive growth to your online presence? But first, why is 99.99% are failing to get any traction on social platforms? What changed? What made it harder? What's the problem? Why is everyone failing? Let me break it down for you. The first obstacle, the crucial first 24 hours. Did you know 90% fail here? Lack of initial push, traffic, and momentum spells disaster. Fail to gain traction now, and algorithms and social networks ignore you. The second challenge, low retention rate. All the hard work to get views means nothing if they leave in seconds. Social networks favor videos that keep viewers engaged, keep them till the end. And the biggest problem, saturation and competition. Every niche is crowded with similar content. Standing out is tougher than ever. But what I am about to show you, no one else is doing it. For genuine reasons, it's difficult. With our 3E formula plus latest AI proprietary tech, we've cracked the code to get thousands, even millions of free visitors, subscribers, and sales without all the struggle. How? With quiz videos. No one is doing it. Very few know about this secret, and the ones who do know are making a killing. They are raking in millions of views, subscribers, and easy money. You can easily take this traffic and turn it into subscribers, sales, and more. It's like tapping into a gold mine of free, untapped traffic. And I will show you exactly how you can do it later on. But why does quiz videos work so well? What's so special about them? You see, the algorithm loves them because they have high retention rates. People love watching them, playing along, and waiting till the end for answers. But that's not all. Quiz videos are also highly shareable, making your audience do all the work for you. But here's what truly sets quiz videos apart. They build trust and authority. Picture yourself as an expert in your niche, someone who provides valuable information in a fun and engaging way. That's the power of quiz videos. And with the rise of short video platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, they are even more powerful. And if you want to tap into this gigantic opportunity before your competitors, then all you need is our 3E formula plus latest proprietary AI technology. This is no gimmick, no fluff. I'm talking about real traffic, subscribers, and sales that are 100% free and organic. Hi, my name is Ram Rawat, and I am a marketing nerd that loves to solve complicated problems, especially for online marketers. And I am super grateful to be able to help over 60,000 marketers worldwide succeed with my training, strategies, and softwares, which in turn has generated me over $2,500,000 in sales in the last 4 years. It all started with my wife's frustration over our dog's recurring health issues. We had spent a fortune on medication and vet visits, but the problem persisted. One day, she stumbled upon a pet care quiz video on YouTube that revealed our dog's specific needs and provided personalized recommendations. It was like a light bulb went on in her head, and she immediately purchased a comprehensive pet health insurance plan for our furry friend. That particular video had over 1 million views and thousands of shares, and I couldn't believe how well it had worked on my wife. Just like that, I had a sudden realization. Quiz videos can be used for marketing too. I researched popular quiz videos on different channels and was blown away by their engagement rates, the money they were making, and the products they were selling. But to my surprise, there weren't many channels creating quiz videos, and I wanted to know why. However, the ones I found were the ones that were making a killing. After digging deeper, I realized that creating quiz videos required a lot of time, effort, and skills. It's super difficult. Plus, there was no softwares. As an experiment, I tried creating just one quiz video using Canva, and it took me over an hour. Hiring a freelancer for $50 per video was not feasible either. But I didn't give up. I figured out the 2 key elements to be successful with quiz videos. 1. You need at least 10 to 20 videos per day if you want to see significant results. 2. High retention rates are crucial for algorithm success on social media platforms, which we figured out already with quiz videos. So I put my geek hat on. After months of hard work, going to and fro with my developer, we finally developed a system that would create me hundreds of attention-grabbing, addictive quiz videos in minutes using our 3E Plus proprietary AI technology. I then tested it with different niches and saw amazing results every time. My clients and students were blown away by the traffic, engagement, and sales they were generating with their quiz videos. Fast forward to today, I can now create 10 to 20 high-quality quiz videos in just minutes that guarantee me more reach, followers, traffic, and sales. My wife thinks I am a genius, and my friends call me the quiz video king, but all I did was create a solution that solved my problem, and now it's available for you to use too. So are you ready to tap into the power of quiz videos and dominate social media like never before, be it Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform? Introducing Tube Trivia AI, the world's first and only AI viral video quiz builder app for marketers. Creating hundreds of viral, addictive quiz videos that generates massive traffic and commissions is as easy as 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword and our AI will generate hundreds of viral quiz ideas using our 3E formula. Engage, excite, explode. Step 2. Select from our library of professional, high-quality video quiz templates and customize everything from color, font, background, video clips, and more. Step 3. Publish one or all your videos directly to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere and watch the traffic, followers, and sales pour in 24/7. That's it, you're done. No more spending hours brainstorming, creating, and designing quiz videos. Tube Trivia AI takes care of it all for you. You don't need subscribers, followers, or any experience. Just enter a keyword, and you're all set to get massive traffic, followers, and sales with our quiz videos. Here are some of the crazy benefits you'll get with Tube Trivia AI. 1. Dominate any niche. Secure that first mover advantage and leave your competitors in the dust. 2. Highly untapped and nothing like this. Get unfair advantage with one and only app of its kind. 3. Algorithm's favorite. Social giants like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok love quiz videos and push them to go viral. 4. Sky-high conversions. Watch as your engagement skyrockets, driving sales through the roof with ease. 5. Universal appeal. Break language barriers and penetrate any market with content that's universally relatable. 6. Save time and money. No more brainstorming, designing, or outsourcing. Tube Trivia does it all for you in minutes. 7. Beginner-friendly, no skills needed. Just enter a keyword and let our AI technology create engaging quiz videos for you. 8. Get fast results. See an influx of traffic, followers, and sales within hours of publishing your quiz video. 9. Proven success. Tested and proven to work, generating massive results for us and our clients. 10. Free lifetime updates. As we continue to improve our product, you'll receive free updates for life. 11. 24/7 support. Our team is always available to assist you with any questions or concerns. 100% uptime guaranteed. So what's the price? Imagine spending $1 to $5 per click with paid ads just to acquire a visitor, or spending hours and hours trying to generate free traffic with little or no results. Or outsourcing your video creation and content for hundreds of dollars. Now imagine that you can generate unlimited free traffic with just a few quiz videos, a few minutes of your time, and a few dollars to invest in the setup. You can create as many quiz videos as you want, and each quiz can drive thousands of people to your website from all over the world every day. Today you can get access to Tube Trivia AI for a low one-time price. So how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we will be turning the price into monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way we will be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You will lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. Tube Trivia AI is the best, fastest, and easiest way to skyrocket your traffic, engagement, conversions, and sales. If you don't take action now, you will miss out on being one of the first ones to dominate your market with this revolutionary AI technology. So, don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the Tube Trivia AI at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.